Imagine a toy box. Not just any toy box, but a magical one where every toy has a special name tag. This magical toy box is a lot like a Python dictionary. In Python, dictionaries are like containers that hold information in pairs. We call these pairs key-value pairs. Think of the key as the name tag on the toy and the value as the toy itself. Let's say you have a toy robot. In your magical toy box, you might stick a name tag that says robot on it. Now, whenever you want to find your robot, you just look for the robot name tag. Python dictionaries work similarly. You use a key to find its corresponding value. This makes finding information in your code super quick and easy. Just like our magical toy box keeps your toys organized, Python dictionaries help keep your code neat and tidy. Each key in a dictionary is unique, just like each toy has only one name tag. This means no more rummaging through a messy toy box or a jumbled code. Creating a dictionary in Python is as simple as pie. You use curly braces to make one. Inside these braces, you put your key value pairs, separated by a colon. Let's create a dictionary to store information about our robot toy Python robot =, name Robbie, color blue, battery full. In this example, and are our keys, the name tags, and are our values, the toys. Now, if you want to know your robot's color, you can easily access it using the key Python print robot hash. This will print blue C. It's like looking at the color name tag in our magical toy box to find out that the robot is blue. You can store all sorts of information in dictionaries, numbers, words, even lists. And just like a real toy box can hold different types of toys, a Python dictionary can hold different types of data. This makes dictionaries incredibly versatile for all sorts of coding projects. Our magical toy box wouldn't be very magical if we couldn't add new toys, right? Well, Python dictionaries are just as flexible. To add a new toy or a new key value pair to our dictionary, we simply use the following format. Python robot =, metal. Now, our robot has a material name tag, and it tells us that Robbie is made of metal. What if Robbie gets a new paint job? We can easily change his color in our dictionary Python robot =, red. Just like replacing a name tag on our toy, we've updated Robbie's color to red. Sometimes, we might need to remove a toy from our box. Maybe Robbie needs new batteries, so we want to take out the battery information for now. Python del robot. Poof! The battery information is gone from our dictionary. Python dictionaries are like having a superpower when you're coding. They help you. Just like our magical toy box, dictionaries keep your code neat and tidy by storing information in key-value pairs. Need to know something specific? Use the key to access its value in a flash. Updating values in a dictionary is as easy as pie. Dictionaries can hold numbers, words, lists, and more. Whether you're building a game, writing a program, or simply want to store information in an organized way, dictionaries are your go-to tool. They are like a Swiss Army knife for programmers, versatile, efficient, and incredibly useful. So embrace the magic of Python dictionaries and watch your coding skills reach new heights.